The Stoneview Nature Center, 5950 Stoneview Drive. We're here today at the Stoneview Nature Center in Culver City. Jed found a butterfly. You getting them? So the Stoneview Nature Center has a lot of different varieties of flowers, and it has herbs and some lemons and limes and some places that you can work out, or they also have some places you can eat a nice picnic or lunch. There's butterflies. Pretty much every little kind of sage that they have around here. A lot of succulents. It's great for little kids. Take them on a walk, show them some flowers. Try some herbs. Check out this really cool picnic area right here with wind chimes. Maris, what do you think? We should have brought our picnic stuff with us.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh.
I saw this.
Next time we can.
You didn't listen to me.
So we came back for a picnic because it looked like a good picnic bench to eat at. Is everybody having good food? Jet, what do you got? Yogurt?
Yeah.
And a bean and cheese burrito? Okay. Oh, and chips. Can I have a chip?
No.
Please?
No.
I'll give you $1.
No. And I have a bean cheese taco, mango, coconut, and grapes. And water.
Whoa.
It's delicious.
You're just starving yourself, Mom?
I just already ate my carne asada burrito.
Oh, okay. Hello. Check this out. So Maris completed her little bingo board, and she got this Stoneview sticker. Are you excited?
It's a beautiful facility.
Thank you. Indigo is sampling the goods here. How are the strawberries?
Good.
Grown
Maris got a really
hydroponically
nice
here. These might be the white ones, you never know. So we're looking around here. We found some logs. Jet, what are you doing? They want to go sit on the logs. Jet, look, go sit on the log. This way. You guys follow the trail, Jet. This way. Okay, find a log. Everybody gets their own log. Jet found the one that was in the shade. The Stoneview Nature Center. Check it out. It's got all sorts of things to do.